'Cause I'm on a quest to make you mine.
Good evening, sir. My name is Oliver G.C. Sumalpong. Three types of 10 commandments of driving. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is none seen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highways, signs, and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twice without signaling my intention. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every drivers and pedestrian safe traveler. 10 commandments of road safety from traveler. 24. 1. To salt not gaze at the phone. 2. Salt not throw trash out of the window. 2. Salt not or never drive exhausted. 4. 2. Salt not taken chance. 5. 2. Salt buckle of the kids. 2. Salt not drive on the bright. 2. Salt not drive when on the light or with fault lights. 8. 2. Salt adhere to the speed limit. 9. 2. Salt keep the distance. 2. Salt 10. 2. Salt practice patience. Safety clear the commandments of traffic. 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule the prevent or